Next module is fuel management. Here, managers can monitor fuel related transactions, view documents uploaded by driver, and approve those documents. This helps improve fuel efficiency while reducing unnecessary operational costs. In the maintenance module, managers can view maintenance tickets raised by drivers for their vehicles. They can review the reported issue, check the ticket details, and take the required action to resolve and manage the maintenance request efficiently. The analytics module provides deeper insights into fleet performance. Managers can analyze fleet utilization, vehicle activity, and operational patterns using visual analytics and performance indicators. These insights help management make faster and more informed operational decisions. Next module is earnings page. It provides a clear financial overview of fleet operations. Managers can review total revenue, operational costs, net earnings, and profit margin, along with monthly financial trends. This gives management a better understanding of fleet profitability and overall financial performance. The reporting section provides detailed operational reports for different areas of the fleet. Managers can analyze trip summaries, driver performance, distance traveled, trip status, maintenance expenses, and other important operational metrics. Next module is notifications. This keeps managers informed about important system and operational updates like alerts, approvals, and critical notifications are organized in one place so that important actions are not missed. Next module is settings page. It allows managers to configure security, regional preferences, measurement units, notification preferences, and other system settings according to their requirements. And the final page is profile page. This profile section allows the fleet manager to manage personal and organizational information. Managers can also edit and update their profile details whenever required, keeping the account information accurate and up to date.